So this is the place where we are going to have the ceremony today. People are coming. Very soon we are going to start the good luck prayer. The purpose of today's celebration is to express our deep greetings to some of the very special nuns, because they have been meditating for many years. After completing this prayer, we are going to offer scraps and presents to the respected nuns.